Welcome back to How to Mastery. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your TikTok bio, even if you don't have a business account. No tricks, no third-party apps, just simple steps. Let's dive in. Next, ensure your account type is set to creator. Here's how. 1. Go to your profile and tap the three lines in the top right corner. 2. Select Settings and Privacy. 3. Tap on a Manage Account. 4. Choose to switch to a creator account if you haven't already. Once you've confirmed your creator account, it's time to add your link. Follow these steps. 1. Go to your profile and tap Edit Profile. 2. Look for the website option. If it's there, tap it and paste your link. 3. If you don't see the option yet, don't worry, it might take some time for TikTok to enable it on your account. If you don't have the website option yet, here's a quick hack. Add your link as plain text in your bio. While it won't be clickable, people can still copy and paste it. Finally, test your profile to ensure the link works or is easy for viewers to access. Engage your audience by mentioning the link in your videos and captions to drive traffic. And that's it. Adding a link to your TikTok bio without a business account is totally doable. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.